Hey y'all, it's me Marty. Welcome to another video. Quick little video here just to show you something I just made just now. I just had the idea earlier today and I came out and drew it out and made it. What is it, you ask? It's a little garden marker. So my wife Marilyn, she enjoys gardening, and she has a big garden in our backyard, and she has a flower garden, and I just made her some planter boxes for the front railing too, so she could do some different planting of veggies and fruit, flowers and herbs and different things. And I thought, you know, it'd be kind of nice if she had some kind of markers, garden markers, so she remembers what she planted where. And yeah, you can just put a stick in the ground and put your seed packet over it or whatever, but sometimes they blow away and they're upside down sometimes, or maybe you don't use all the seeds in your packet, you know. And I thought, and they make them out there, you can buy them, and there's patterns and plans, but y'all, you can make up your own. Think, be creative. God created you, and you are somebody who can be creative yourself. So yeah, just make up your own stuff. It's just fun. I just drew this out. I thought, well, it'd be nice if it had a point about 6-7 inches long, kind of a handle. You can kind of poke it in, but the handle part is actually where you can write on it. So I got like 20 of them I made for my wife, and I'm gonna surprise her when she gets home. And I'm gonna write on some of them, and then I'm gonna leave a whole bunch of blank ones for her that she can just use. And I'll, you know, and she can move them around in different planters or in gardens, and you know, and you can reuse them every year. Simple. I just drew it out. I didn't need a pattern or a plan. Just drew it out. Nothing fancy, but it'll work, and it'll be kind of a neat gift for her, and useful too. So anyway, yeah, just cut them on a piece of pine and just sand them a little bit, but write on them. You know, you could put a sharper point. I mean, you could taper them if you wanted to, but they'll work. They'll go in the ground. They'll stand up. You can make them longer. You can make them shorter. You could put removable labels on them or whatever, but I just used the marker, you know. And you could color them and paint them. You could do whatever you want, but I don't know. I just thought it'd be kind of fun. Felt like doing some scroll signs, so I've made these for her. Also going to work on some Jesus words and hugs, and starting to plan my Christmas ornament for this year, 2026. It's never too early. And yeah, just do a little bit of scroll sign, and yeah, enjoy some time in the shop. And anyway, that's it. Just a quick little video, just show you something small, creative, simple, a nice little gift, something I made on my scroll saw in my shop. So just hope you're all doing well, and we'll see you on the next video.